Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can make Bluetooth connection and pair Bluetooth device in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First, go to the notification area and turn on Bluetooth. Okay, and in your another device, here I have OnePlus 7. In this device, go to the notification area and turn on Bluetooth. Okay, so OnePlus 7 is available here and it's showing here. Just click it and it will be pairing. Just wait. Yes, it asks for pairing. Click on pair here and here too, and it will be paired. Okay, if you want to share internet, click on OnePlus 7 here. Click on done first and go to long press Bluetooth icon and click on this gear setting and turn on internet access. To use Bluetooth tethering, turn off Wi-Fi on this tablet. Okay, so you go to turn off Wi-Fi, then only you can use Bluetooth internet. Internet can be accessed through Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth tethering on the paired device to access the internet from this phone. Okay, just turn on. Here also you go to turn off internet here, and here see the incoming connection. This is incoming connection, and click on it and click on internet and allow Bluetooth tethering. Okay, click it. Yes, it is activated now. See here. So immediately you go to turn on this. Yes, so in this way you can easily share internet from this phone to this tablet to another device, nearby device. Here OnePlus 7. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.